Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Today we will look at bathroom mirror designs. There's a lot to love about bathroom mirrors. Unlike people, they always let you know if there's something green stuck in your teeth. They never judge you for staring and they deliver endless style capacity. For all intent and purposes, let's focus on the latter. Indeed, the right mirror can contribute a sense of spaciousness, enhance the natural light, or play the role of a window when there isn't one, and add a ton of design game to the wall. So let's all take a good hard look in the mirror in this video on bathroom mirror ideas that are sure to elevate any space, no matter its size, shape, style, or budget you are working with. Materials like brick and stone add so much dimension, and in small bathroom using your walls is necessary to communicate style. Also great in small bathrooms, a floor to ceiling wall mirror. This also doubles the gorgeous architectural elements visually at least, and add color with accessories and sense of polish with fancy soaps. There are various types of bathroom mirror available in different style, sizes, colors and shapes based on your preferences and bathroom interior. From round, square, oval, rectangular, tinted, transparent to antique frame, there's a wide variety of mirror to choose from. Finding the right shape for your bathroom mirror is huge contributing factor that will massively affect the overall style of your bathroom. Having a long mirror helps to lengthen the overall look of a bathroom as it stretches out the eye along with its length. On the other hand, with a round mirror, you can add a touch of softness to your bathroom as it blends seamlessly without disrupting its existing flow. A rounded rectangular dome-shaped mirror, pill-shaped mirror or popsicle-shaped mirror adds a quick touch to your bathroom. This type of mirror has multiplied effect to 2 to 3 mirrors when placed accordingly. And lastly, an asymmetrical mirror brings a contemporary touch and feel to your bathroom. We can all agree that room corners make mirror look awkward, but the good news is a folded corner mirror can turn these awkward looking corners into the custom vanity mirror. This type of mirror is the perfect mirror for those who don't have much space in their bathroom. Its design can enhance the overall vibe of your bathroom while utilizing these awkward room corners into something more wonderful and convenient. Folded corner mirrors are also ideal for people who want to have a beautiful corner wall design. Perhaps most people are already familiar with the flat type and conventional household mirrors. But there is another common type of mirror that has a concave or convex structure. This type of mirror has a surface that is curving away from all direction. Convex mirror come with a curved surface that bends the light it reflects and focuses its focal point at the center. This type of mirror reflects a smaller image which provides more space for more images to fit compared with normal mirrors. The other kind of folded corner mirrors is the concave mirror, which is opposite of the convex mirror. This type of mirrors bends the light it reflects inward and towards the image. As a result, it produces a seamlessly larger view of the image that provides a magnification for an enlarged version of an object that you want to observe. Concave mirrors are ideal to be used as a dental or makeup mirror. Double sinks call for double mirror. So, if your bathroom consists of 2 sinks, it is best to pair it up with an angular double mirror to bring symmetry and balance to your bathroom. This type of mirrors also provide an extra space in between for extra lighting and added design for your bathroom interior. A bathroom vanity mirror is usually placed above the bathroom sink and are particularly used for applying makeups, checking one's appearance, fixing one's hair, and basically anything that help you look presentable. We might not realize, but this piece of home decor is actually used a lot of times in our home and in our day-to-day lives. It is important to choose a vanity mirror that goes well with the decoration and style of your bathroom. Moreover, you can also incorporate some accessories or mirror frame that pairs up with your vanity mirror, or should choose a color that matches well with the overall color scheme of your bathroom. For instance, a vanity mirror can be a great option since this type of color blends well with the every color. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern bathroom mirror designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On interior decor designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that is going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below this video, so do check them out. If you want, you can follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram from the link in the description box below this video. Bathroom mirror plays an important role in every bathroom. They are essential for checking out one's appearance, applying makeup or shaving. However, its importance goes beyond that. It can do much more than just showing you a reflection of how you look. It enhances the bathroom as it adds style, light, and it usually provides additional storage space for your cosmetics and medicines to heighten your overall bathroom utility. A mirror equipped with light emitting diodes, that is LED, is one of the best perceivable way to get a realistic reflection of an image. Not only does this type of mirror provide a realistic reflection, but it also adds a light to the room. Unlike other type of lightened bathroom mirrors, LED lit mirrors are proven to conserve electricity and produce a pure white light reflection that is perfect for shaving and applying makeups. A traditional wood-framed mirror gives off a rural or rustic vibe on any bathroom. This type of mirror are framed with variety of different wood and color selection. It is important to choose the perfect design depending on your preferences and the overall interior of your bathroom. Often, these type of mirrors are also meticulously handcrafted by skilled artisans, so having this kind of mirror placed will surely add a wonderful piece of art to your bathroom. If you wish to bring sophistication to your bathroom mirror, then a brushed metal wall mirror may be the best bathroom mirror for you. This type of mirror has a contemporary design which complement with the various design and styles. The beauty of this type of mirror is how the brushed metal matches with the mirrored glass, creating a modern and urban design to your bathroom while providing you with an accurate reflection of yourself. Over the past couple of years, a lot of designers are incorporating frameless mirror as a statement of luxury and style in a bathroom. This type of mirror are usually designed with a polished edge or beveled one. Moreover, this type of mirror provides more reflective surface than regular ones. The prevalent reason behind this is because it is not equipped with any frame that actually takes some space. By using this type of mirror to your bathroom, you can make the most out of the space you have, while giving your room a modern and minimalist feel to it. You should be particular with the size of your bathroom mirror. If you choose a mirror that is too small, your bathroom mirror might not look misplaced and disappeared on its own. But if you happen to choose an overly huge one, you might end up creating an unintended focal point in your bathroom. However, it all goes down to your own preference. If you want to go small, you might as well would consider having 3 or more identical mirrors of the same size and display it as you please. On the other hand, if you prefer to go bigger sized mirror, it is important to choose a mirror that is proportionate to your bathroom and seamlessly blend without disrupting its overall size and style. For the indecisive one, perhaps an in-between or moderate sized mirror is the right one for you. A 1 meter long mirror or a 60 cm sized mirror will look great depending on your overall bathroom setup. Conversely, you can also go for mirror with different sizes to do the trick. We may not always realize, but choosing a certain type of mirror in relation to your bathroom can make or break your overall bathroom design. With the variety of different types of mirror, you can get creative and explore with various options of bathroom mirror designs, shapes, styles, finishes and color to incorporate in your bathroom interior. Aside from choosing the right bathroom mirror ideas for your need, it is also important to keep these mirrors in the right placement. By strategically placing your mirror in the right areas of your bathroom, you can create an illusion that makes your bathroom look bigger than it actually is. Friends, hope you like this video on modern bathroom mirror design ideas, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our Android app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below this video. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the video that is suggested to you